In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The inspection and monitoring of various departments of the 217 Umari Corps by a delegation from the Ministry of National Defense. The UNICEF and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation discuss expanding joint cooperation in Afghanistan. And finally, the launch of an evacuation operation for more than 11,000 stranded seafarers in the Strait of Hormuz. Welcome to our news package. It's Wednesday, the 8th of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 3rd of Sarataan 1405, and the 21st of June 2026. The news details. The Minister of National Defense states that based on the directive of the Minister of Leadership, a delegation headed by Chief Inspector Mufti Latifullah Hakimi has conducted an inspection of various departments of the 217 Umari Corps. Based on the ministry, the delegation provided Corps, the official, with the necessary recommendations aimed at improving administrative affairs, strengthening accountability, ensuring effective resource management, and addressing the potential shortcomings. Meanwhile, the leadership of the 217 Umari Corps assured the delegation that it would expand full cooperation with the assessment team across all sectors. The United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, has announced that its country representative met with Dr. Mohammed Said Al-Ayash, the Director General of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation's mission in Afghanistan, to discuss the expansion of joint cooperation in the field of health and education. UNICEF described the meeting as constructive and expressed appreciation for the ongoing collaboration and support of children across Afghanistan. The news continuation. The National Disaster Preparedness Authority has installed and activated an early flood warning system in the district of Shahjui, Nowbahar, and Suri in Zabul province. The system measures water level and flow speed and alerts local residents by activating warning sirens whenever potential flood threat is detected. And ultimately, the International Maritime Organization, IMO, has announced the commencement of an operation to evacuate more than 11,000 seafarers stranded in the Strait of Hormuz. In a statement, the organization expressed that the evacuation effort is being carried out in cooperation with Iran, Oman, Gulf countries, and the United States, and stakeholders from maritime industry. The operation followed the reopening of maritime transit in the Strait of Hormuz after a period of closure and blockade, and comes in the wake of a memorandum of understanding signed between Iran and the United States. That concludes today's short news bulletin. Thank you for joining Urooj Research and Broadcasting Channel. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.